Do you still remember what we learned last time?
Yes.
What do we learn?
About the Tina turtle. And we can control her.
Okay, so now you search Trinket.
Trinket. What?
Remember this website? TRINKET.
TRINKET. Trinket. Right?
Yeah, and then
enter.
hit enter. Yeah.
Ooh.
Trinket. Okay, maybe just say Python.
Python.
PY. Okay. So
Okay.
now you click. The first click is the Python Trinket. So click. Okay, so this is the first time you use this. So you have to. I think you have to sign up.
Sign up? How do you sign up?
So basically, this is a new website for you, right? So you say sign up, and now here you can sign up
with Google. Okay, sign up with Google.
And now you can use your own.
Ooh.
Okay. Now, because this is the very beginning of your learning stage, so we just click learn.
Learn. Learn.
Yeah. Okay, so this will basically walk you through how to learn Python with Turtle, and click free lesson start learning.
Start learning.
Okay, so here it has some, for example, videos to show you how to do this, but we won't do that. So we would directly go to Meet Tina. Go to Meet Tina Turtles.
Right.
Okay. So last time I already showed you how to give the command to the turtle, and also change the color, and also we know like what the pen up and pen down mean, right? So this is basically a piece of Python code. So you can click run here. You can click run. Yeah.
Run.
So it's like a language. It's like you are talking to the computer. So first import turtle. So turtle is the Python library. Okay. So if you want to get a turtle, let's say named Tina, you have to first import turtle library, and then you want to initiate a new turtle. You say turtle brackets. So and this will return a turtle object. So we will talk about what is a turtle object later. So they return to Tina, and then you can set Tina's shape. So what's Tina's shape? You want to say, okay, you use shape function. This is called a function, and then in the function you give turtle, right? And then you want to tell the computer, okay, whether you want to Tina's pen. Tina had a pen. You want the pen up or you want pen down?
Pen down.
You want pen down? Then you can change it up to down. Okay. But first, let's run it first. So let's finish this. So then you tell Tina, okay, go forward for 20 pixels. This is 20 pixels, I believe. Anyway, something like, let's say 20 steps. And then you ask Tina to write "Why hello there," and then you ask Tina to go backward for 20 steps. Okay, and let's just run. Click run.
Click run.
You see, it moves very fast, right? Go forward and write something, and then go backward.
Why did she do it so fast?
Because you know the the computer is very fast. It's kind of like computer has a very smart brain. Okay, so but you can slow it down. You can slow, for example, you can you want tell Tina to sleep, right? So there's a sleep function in time library. So here you can write. You don't have to remember this, but I will help you write for this part. Okay. So I will tell Tina to go. Let's say from time. So we want to have a sleep function from time library. Okay. So here we can say, okay, from time we import sleep. Okay. Now here, going forward, after Tina goes forward 20 steps, so we want her to sleep. Let's say sleep. Sleep. How long do you want her to sleep? Let's sleep for 5 seconds. Okay. If she sleeps too long, we will wait too very long time. Okay. So and then after she writes something, we also want her to sleep. Let's say, okay, you can write the next, the remaining part.
Okay.
Bracket.
So a bracket.
And
then how about
that's 2 seconds.
2?
How about 2? Okay. Then write again.
And then he sleeps. When will she go back?
See, it's wait. Okay. So you see, it go forward very quickly, and then, sleep for 5 seconds, and then write something. After that, Tina sleeps for 2 seconds, and then Tina went backward, right? Okay, so I just mentioned that from time import sleep. So similarly, you can do same thing for the turtle library. So because here we used the reason is why we use from time import sleep is the reason is we only used one function. But you can, of course, you can directly import time.
Import time.
Okay. So and if you want to, you can use a pound sign to comment this. So if we use time, and we still want to use sleep, do you know how to use it?
Use equal turtle.
For example, here we import turtle and we use the function called turtle bracket, right? Similarly, we can just use time sleep dot sleep. That means we are using sleep function from time module. Okay.
Oh.
So can you write the rest down then for this one?
Okay. So time to
and dot.
And
that's right. Can we get to the same result? Try it.
Okay. Ooh.
See? Maybe 5 seconds is too long. Okay, let's do 2 seconds.
Okay.
And also, we talked about the pen up and pen down. So pen up means that when Tina is moving.
There's no line to show where she was going.
Yeah. Okay. So let's change it to pen down. See what's happening.
Okay.
Okay.
Down. Down.
DOWN. That's right.
Okay. Ooh. It is very.
Yeah. So you see, you can use the functions to control the behavior behavior of Tina, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you can also tell Tina to turn left. I
Okay.
say,
How can
remember?
we not
Do you do remember that? The simplest way is to say, okay, is there a left function? Let's try it. Let's
Okay.
say, okay, after we go forward, we don't want to sleep too long. Okay, we will sleep 2 seconds and write something, and then we will ask her to go to the left. Let's say try whether there's a left function.
Okay.
Tina
Left. Tina.
dot
Tina. Dot. Eh? Dot. Left.
yeah
Left.
and
Left.
then a bracket.
Bracket.
Remember always if you are using a function, usually you followed
Okay.
by the bracket. Let's try it. Let's try it. What will happen?
Ooh.
Oh, okay. It gives you an error. That's fine. So left takes exactly one position argument. So you see, pin down in the brackets is empty, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you can run it successfully. That means pen down doesn't have to have an argument. But left, you have to, okay, turn left. You can turn you can turn like right at 90 degrees left, right? You don't tell Tina how to turn left, okay?
How
So
about 100?
you can try. Let's try 100.
Okay. 100. Okay.
Try it, right?
Okay. Let's try. Ooh, it's
Ooh.
gonna turn.
And then it go backward. Maybe we want her to go forward. If you want,
Okay.
rather than go backward, if we want her to go forward, how can we do that?
We can turn it into forward. We can write forward.
Yeah, we can change it backward to forward, right? Let's do it.
Okay. Let's backward to 4. Or
Yeah, let's run. Let's try it. See, it go forward, slept 2 seconds, and then write something, and then turn left with the 100 degrees. So do you remember if you turn if you make a U-turn, right? That's 180, right? And if you want to turn to the right, exactly right, 90, right? So, and if you say, okay, turn 100 degree, that means a little bit
to the left.
to the a little bit maybe to where?
A little bit.
So this is the 90 degree and a little bit off 90 degree, right? So let's say let's try something. Okay. Let's say you want to go forward 100. Let's see what will this happen.
Okay. Okay, it's going forward 100. Whoa,
that's very long, right?
I'll make her go 190.
190. You can try that. Try that.
Okay. 190. Run. Is it going to? Whoa!
Oh, it's almost going beyond the
Uh-huh.
the border, right?
And the turtle's head is already.
Yeah, it already we won't be able to see that. Okay, that's cool, right?
I think I want to make it. How about 180? I think that's gonna be
Okay.
good. Run. So I'm gonna see. Oh, that's the longest.
You see, the main point here is you know, you can use Python language. Python, you can talk to the computer or talk to Tina even to say, okay, can you go forward? Can you sleep? Can you write something? Can you go left? Right? So this is called programming language. You can do lots of fun things. Okay. So let's keep this. Yeah, that's cool. That's how many degrees did you turn? Oh, that's you turned 90 degrees.
So she
right?
could go straight.
Yeah. Okay. So one good habit is that when you write something, you always copy it, and then you want to write it down somewhere. Okay. So there's a website called GitHub. So you can put your code there, and so today we won't go into the details, but just let you know it's better to save your to have a copy of your code. Other later you don't have to rewrite everything, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay. So let's say we want to save. Let's say we want to
Control S, save.
notepad. We want to save it in a file.
In a file?
Okay.
Okay.
So we copy it in a file and we save it to somewhere. Let's say we save it to the desktop and
Desktop.
and the URL we save. Let's say we said Tina py. Okay.
Okay.
Py means Python. So that way you know. Okay, this is you can directly based on the name you know this is a Python script.
And that Control S means save too.
Yeah, Control S can save that too. Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's interesting. Okay. So let's go to the next topic.
Okay.
Can you click moving?
Okay. Let's see. Moving.
Okay. So
Ooh, look at that.
look at that. Yeah, that's cool. So as we saw in the last example, Tina can move, right? When she moves, she draws a line. She can move forward and backward and turn right and left. Okay? At a certain number of degrees. So like here, can you tell me what Tina will do in this if we
Tina
run
will
this?
go forward 50, then go left 90, then go forward 50, and go left 90, and go forward 50 again.
Cool, yeah. Okay, let's try it. Run it.
Okay. Run it. Let's run it. Let's run it. Ooh.
Ooh, right? That's cool.
That is really cool.
So now say hello. That's Tina can say hello. So here, right? So you see you see something interesting. Okay, this is what we already wrote. This is what we wrote, right? We go.
Can we let Tina say just hello?
Yeah, you can change that.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna delete.
Yeah, you can do. I will help you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Then just let's run. Let's see what will change.
What will change? Oh, it turned into hello!
Yeah, you can also say hello, Angela. Let's see.
Hello, Angela. Hello, Angela.
Cool.
Okay, let's see what. Ooh! It's in my name.
Yeah, so you say this is very cool, right? Okay. So you say the program above you wrote is great for people that have the same name as you, but that means that it was not Angela at the beginning, but now you changed it to Angela. So you already did that. Okay. So the input function is what makes the program ask you for your name. Whatever you type is then stored in a variable. Tina uses this variable to remember and then store your name. Okay, so that means the computer, you can communicate with the computer. Okay, for example, if the computer wants to ask you, okay, what should I say? Tina is asking, what should I say? So Tina will say something. Okay, Tina will say, let's run this. Tina will say, oh, what should I say? So you see the say what variable. This is called a variable. Okay. So the variable can store some information. So for example, here it says, what should I say? So for example, let's say here we have a variable called message. Let's say type not here. Let's go back to here. Let's say instead of write directly the information, we can remove this. We will have a message variable. Let's try it.
Okay.
Let's run it. See, it said name message is not defined on line 10 in main py, because the reason is here we don't have a variable called message, right? But we can write something. We can have a message variable. Do you want to try?
Okay.
Let's have a message variable. So when you type, use both hands. The left hand, try to type the case on the left, and use your right hand to type the case on the right.
Message. Okay.
And equals, we want to give each message something, right? So we use message equals, what do you want to say? Hello, Sarah. How about hello, Sarah? Okay.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Okay, that's cool.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Everybody. How do you spell everybody?
Every R-Y, E-V-E-R-Y,
E-V-E-R-Y.
E-R-Y.
What? Everybody. Okay, buddy. That's it. Repeat. Body. Okay.
You think that it's good, right?
Wait, what? Wait.
Wait. Okay.
There's something I want to add.
Exclamation mark?
Okay. There. Hello, everybody.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, it says syntax error. Bad input on line 6. Where's line 6? Here's line 6, right? So when you say, okay, you want to say something, this is basically the text or the message you want to say. It's basically a string. So if you directly write it like this, Python will think, okay, hello and everybody are two variables, right? So basically, but they are not variables. They are strings or they are text. They are the message we want to say. So to tell Python, okay, this is just a string. These are not variables. We should use quotes, single quotes or double quotes. So let's use single quotes
Like
around this message. Yeah, try it.
Okay. Let's see. Wait 1 second. Codes.
So it directly give two quotes. So we don't need two quotes. We need the quotes to surround the message, right? So we cut Control X and Control V. So I already did this for you. So let's run it again.
Let's see. Okay.
Now it works, right?
Ooh, it said hello, everybody.
Yes. Okay. And another thing, now you know, okay, how to initiate a turtle called Tina, and you also know how to define a variable and how to write the variable, right? And now let's go to next step.
Color.
Color. Okay, let's see. I think we did something related to this, right?
Mhm.
Oh, cool. See,
Mhm.
the color. So first thing is the the color change. The color of the turtle changed, right?
Mhm.
So let's try this. Let's run this.
Mhm. Run this.
Ooh, cool, right?
I want to see
Okay.
again.
See,
Uh-huh.
as the Tina go forward, and the color of the Tina changed, and also the color of the text changed. So you see what we have what different things we have here.
Um, the share in here when he turned left it it said turn turn the color blue.
Yeah, here, right?
Uh-huh.
So it had it say okay, now Tina wants color blue. So
Uh-huh.
it said okay, Tina color blue, and then next step Tina color purple.
Can we do that too?
Here. Yeah, we can do that. Let's go back to saying hello, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Say hello everybody, and then maybe we can do something here.
Mm-hmm.
And what color do you want? Tina
Pink.
dot. You can try it.
Okay. Tina color
Dot. We use dot.
okay. Dot dot
Color.
color.
No space. There's no space.
Okay. The color
LOR.
LOR color pink.
We use brackets.
Okay. Brackets.
In brackets, that's blue is called the argument.
Mm-hmm. And the brackets and then pink.
Pink?
Color
Okay.
Pink. Ink. Pink. Okay. Pink. Okay.
Okay. That's cool. Do you think there's a problem or let's just run, okay?
Okay.
If let's say if it's always fine to run, okay?
Okay.
So if it doesn't work, you will be given errors, and based on error, you will know okay what's the problem, okay?
Okay.
See, it's that name pink is not defined on line 9 because here remember we talked about this that if without quote the Python will think it's a variable, but here it's not a variable. It's a message you want to tell Tina, right? You want to give to color, so we can change it. With quote.
Quote. Okay.
Let's run it again.
Okay. Run it. Run it.
Ooh.
It turned pink.
And also the text, the message outputted here is also pink, right?
Everything is pink.
That's really cool.
Can we turn it into different color?
Yeah, you can try. Maybe you can. Here you can use pink, and maybe here you can use a different color. For example, after Tina turns left, you can change it to a different color. Try that.
After Tina turns left. Okay. Then Tina's
You enter to get to write code in a new line.
Oh, okay. Enter. And then dot, color, coat, and purple. Like URPLE. Purple and quotes.
Yeah, good. Good thinking.
And,
Okay,
Okay.
let's write. Ooh, see?
Uh-huh.
It changed to purple, right?
Uh-huh.
That's
Can
really
we turn
cool.
blue? I want some blue.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, where? How about...
So now instead of you type it again, I will teach you a shortcut. So you can double click here and use Control C. That means copy.
Control C.
Oh, you can use Control Z.
Control Z.
Control Z means that undo the change. So Control C.
Control
C.
C.
Yeah. And then where do you want to change? Let's say
How about when she sleeps?
after
30
she
seconds.
sleeps, okay?
Uh-huh.
And then Control V means paste.
Control V.
Means paste. And now you can just change the color here, right? Change the color to a color you want. Maybe green.
How about blue?
Okay, blue is fine. BLU.
Okay. BLUE.
Is the
Okay. Blue. Run. I'm gonna run it. What happened? Ooh.
see? That's
Uh-huh.
cool, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
When Tina's 4, can she...
Now I'm thinking we'll stop here today,
Okay.
and next time we will learn more things. We will learn how to do this in a Linux environment. So here on this website, so everything is set up. Okay. So they installed the Turtle library and everything. But when you in practice, so sometimes you need to install the packages yourself. So we will learn that in the next class. Okay.